Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. To create a window that opens centered on the screen in Windows 10 using a programming language like Python with a GUI library, tkinter, you can follow this tutorial. Tkinter is a standard GUI toolkit for Python, and it's relatively straightforward to use. ### prerequisites. Ensure you have Python installed on your machine. You can download it from the official Python website, https://www.python.org/downloads. Tkinter comes pre-installed with Python, so you don't need to install it separately. ### step-by-step tutorial. ### step 1. Create a basic tkinter window. First, let's create a simple tkinter window. Open your favorite text editor or IDE, and create a new Python file, example centered_window.py. ### step 2, center the window on the screen. To center the window on the screen, you will need to calculate the screen's width and height and then position the window accordingly. Add the following code to your centered_window.py file. ### explanation of the code. 1. Import tkinter. We import the tkinter module to create GUI applications. 2. Define center_window function. This function takes 3 parameters, the window object, window, and the width and height of the window. It calculates the X and Y coordinates to position the window at the center of the screen. 3. Get screen dimensions. We use winfo_screen width, and winfo_screen height, to get the dimensions of the user's screen. 4. Calculate center position. We calculate the desired position, X, Y, for the window by subtracting half the window's width and height from half the screen's dimensions. 5. Set window geometry. We set the geometry of the window using the geometry method with the calculated dimensions and position. 6. Main loop. Finally, we start the tkinter event loop with root.mainLoop, which keeps the window open. ### running the code. To run the code, open your terminal or command prompt, navigate to the directory where your centered_window.py file is located, and execute the following command. You should see a window that opens centered on your screen. ### conclusion. You've successfully created a centered window using tkinter in Python on a Windows 10 environment. This can be a useful technique for enhancing user experience in your GUI applications. You can expand upon this by adding more widgets and functionality as needed.